Hey everyone, I'm just here to talk to you quickly about what to do if you get mites in your collection. Now, there is a lot of way to get mites in your collection. It can be through not cleaning your enclosures properly, from bringing animals in that have mites and not quarantining them properly, or it can be a simple mistake as like happened to me once. I went to a rescue to look at some snakes, um, didn't end up bringing any back, but one of them had mites. It got on my clothes, which then transferred to my collection, which ended up with a mite infestation, which I managed to get cleared up with this stuff here. Now, this isn't an advert, this is just something that I highly recommend. These are a biological control. Basically, the mites that are in this, but these mites eat other mites. These guys eat mites that feed on your snake. So you just pour this in, it will do no harm to your snake, and you'll pour it in, leave it, and these guys will eat all the mites, and then it'll get rid of your infestation. They're good as a preventative measure as well. So if you think, especially if you brought in a rescue, you can always just pour this in, and just in case. It's not the cheapest stuff, it's around about £30 for something that size, and they do have bigger sizes for around about £60-70. But I can't do anything but highly recommend it. And having a rescue myself, I know that I could potentially get snakes in with mites, so I do occasionally order this stuff just to be on the safe side. I'll use it in the rescue and I use it in my own personal collection. But yeah, if you do get mites, just look at this Taurus stuff. And again, this is not an advert, this is just something that I highly recommend to use.